Front of me is Huawei Y7 Pro from 2019, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So first of all, you can make sure that all running apps are closed. To do it, just tap on the square icon, and as you can see, I've got some opened, so just click on bin icon to remove them. And that's it. As you can see, your device is now in optimal condition, but then just open Optimizer, and here you can optimize the whole device automatically. Just click on Optimize. And as you can see, it has been done. Just click on Done to finish the whole operation. Then you can enter Cleanup. And here you can clean up some data. So for example, if you would like to delete YANK files, just click on Clean. And as you can see, they've been removed. You can also delete duplicates. Let me mark something. And tap on Delete. Confirm it. And that's it. So we can go back right now. And also you can perform a virus scan. Just click on Virus Scan. As you can see, the device is secure, but if there will be any issues, you will be able to perform a virus scan right here. It will be performed automatically. You will have to click on a tab very similar to this Optimize icon. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can speed up your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.